Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python while loop with else statement. So first of all, what is this looping control structure in Python? So in looping control structure, control means condition, structure means indented block of code. So coming to the definition, executing an indented block of code based on a condition is called control structure. So in looping control structure, we execute indented block of code 0 or more times or multiple times. So else statement is an indented block of code which can be used with while loop also. And this else indented block of statement, it is executed only once when while loop execution is completely done or while loop condition is false. For example, while condition with indented block of code, so this is executed till while condition is true. So once it is false, then it will come to the else part, and else part is executed only once in the last for false case. Right, so let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python while loop else statement example1.py. So take a new page, first write comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm going to print multiplication table 20 times. So input, enter which multiplication table, convert that into integer, store that in num. So start I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 20, I plus plus in the indented while block of code, and before I equal to I plus 1 I'm printing num, let us say 5 table. So 5 into string I value is 1 equals to string 5 into 1 5, I plus 1 2, 2 less than or equal to 20 true, 5 into 2, I value will become 2 equals to 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, so on till 5 20s are 100, I plus 1 21, so 21 less than or equal to 20 false. So come out of the while loop, else part is executed only once, end of 5 table, and finally end of the program, which is a regular statement in the Python program. So come to the command prompt and run this program. So which multiplication table? 5. So 5 into 1 5, 5 2s are 10, so on. I value becomes 20, 5 20s are 100. When I value becomes 21, it will come out of the while loop to else statement, end of 5 table, and finally end of the program. So this is how we are supposed to work with else with while loop, and this else is executed only once when while loop condition become false in the last. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.